So when I was a kid, I was obsessed with the inventor Tesla, and in particular his invention, the Tesla Coil, which sends electricity wirelessly through the air. And I wanted to build one as a kid, but it was way beyond my abilities. So I was very excited to find out that now there's a Chinese company that sells a kit, and you can make a mini Tesla coil. It's not technically Tesla's design. It uses these transistors called MOSFETs that wouldn't have been available to him. But you can see there's a little wire on top, and it's got a bunch of plasma that is generating coming off there. So the kit comes with a little light bulb, and if I take this light bulb and move it close to the coil, you'll see it starts lighting up even though there are no wires attached. So that is pretty cool. The other thing it comes with is an audio input. And if you play music into it, it actually vibrates the air. The plasma vibrates the air with the sound waves. So I've got here an old-fashioned iPod, and I'm going to play some music. So that's talking heads coming out of a Tesla coil.